Okay, so now I'm going to show you something about to confirm your transaction, okay, meaning to confirm whatever that you're doing, or maybe you want to undo it, okay, to commit to it or to undo. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a table by the name of person. Okay, I'm going to create a table looking like this. All right, run this. So let's describe. Okay, I have these values. Okay, person ID, person name, person DOB. All right, so I'm going to put in some data for the table. So let's put in some data. Okay, insert into person, the name as well as the DOB. Okay, so run this. So let's select all from person. Okay, so I have 3 records. So now what I want to do is I'm going to delete Brian Adams' record. Okay, so delete. Okay, first thing, usually we do this when we want to test something. Okay, we want to test whether it works or not. So if it's working, we can revert back to the original data. So before you do your testing, you start transaction. You start your transaction. Okay, so F9. So now whatever that you do that you feel that you don't like, you can undo it. Okay, so start transaction. So now I want to delete. Delete from table, sorry, delete from person, where person ID equals to 2. Okay, so I'm going to test whether my delete statement is working or not. Alright, so I'm going to delete person ID number 2, run this. Okay, so now I'm going to select all from person. Okay, so now number 2, the person which has number 2 ID has gone missing. I have deleted. So basically I know that, oh, my delete is working now. So how do I get back the earlier record? I can roll back. Okay, I can roll back. Okay, so meaning I have undone. Okay, I've undo whatever that I've done earlier. Okay, so let's select again. Select all from person after I roll back. So can you see I've got back my record. Okay, so now let's say I want to confirm whatever that I'm doing. Okay, so let's start transaction. And then let's delete a person. Person ID 2. Okay, where person ID equals to 2. Okay, so now select all the data. Okay, so now I'm happy with this. I want to continue. So what I can do is I can commit. Okay, so forever I cannot do anything with the record. Select all from person. I have really deleted. Okay, so now another thing that you should know is, if let's say I have deleted a value, okay, especially when you have auto increment value, right, it will never come back. So now I have deleted 2, right? Let's say I insert another record. Okay, so to make things easy faster, I'm going to copy from here and put it here. Okay, let's say I key in all these values now. So currently I have 1, 3, right? So if I run this code now, okay, and I show all the records, right? Okay, can you see that the value, the auto increment number is actually continuing? Okay, so I have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 is gone forever. Okay, now let's delete. Okay, delete from table. Okay, let's run this. Okay, delete. Okay, delete from person. Okay, delete from person. So let's run this. Okay, yes. Alright. So now let's look at our table. Okay, select all from person. Okay, so run this. It's empty because I have deleted everything. Okay, I didn't use the where clause. So I just put delete from person. So everything will be gone. Alright. So now, if let's say, okay, if let's say I add back the records, right? I insert again the records. Let's look at what is happening. Select all from person. Okay, can you see that the ID, right, still continues? It doesn't go back to 1. Okay, it will continue. If you delete this, it will continue from 10, 11, 12. If you delete again, it will continue from the last value. But how can we actually prevent that from happening? How to remove the data but still maintain that 1, 2, 3 sequence? Okay, very simple. You can use truncate. Okay, you can use truncate. Truncate will delete the content of your table, but always start back with 1. Okay, so let's run this. I have truncated. Just now it was 7, 8, 9, right? So if let's say I key in the same value, let's see what is our ID. Alright, select all from person. Let's see whether it continues from 10 onwards or not. Can you see? If I use truncate, it will remove everything and it starts back with 1. If I use delete, it will delete, but it won't start back at 1. It will continue. The sequence will continue. That is the difference between truncate and also delete. Okay, at the same time today, you learn how to use transaction and to roll back and to commit, okay, your codes atau or your data.